If you are a beginner and you don't know what to sew first, these are the easiest projects to start with, and they will teach you real sewing skills to use forever. When I first started sewing, I wanted projects that were simple, fast, and useful. These are very perfect if you just got a machine or you want to build confidence in sewing. Number one is a scrunchie. A scrunchie is a classic beginner project because it's quick to make. It only needs a small piece of fabric and it always turns out really good. You can make them big or small depending on what you are comfortable with and what you want. So with skills, this teaches you straight stitching, turning fabric right side out, and inserting elastics. Scrunchies are perfect warm-ups if you haven't sewn in a while or you are just getting comfortable with your sewing machine. Next project to try your hands on is a tote bag or a drawstring bag. A tote bag or a drawstring bag is also a great beginner project because it's just rectangles, straight seams, and handles. No need for closures and also no need for patterns. So with skills, this teaches seam allowance, top stitching, and pressing, which makes everything look cleaner. And this is optional. If you want to level it up a bit, you can add a pocket or a box corner for structure. Project number 3 is a zippered pouch. So with a zippered pouch, I know sewing of a zipper looks scary to especially beginners, but in a small pouch there is low pressure and it's a confidence win. And what you can do is also to try fixing zippers on scrap fabrics until you are confident, then you can transfer it onto the zippered pouch. So with skills, this teaches lining, zipper placement, and turning corners. Once you sew one zipper, you won't be scared of them anymore. Trust me, I've been there before. Project number 4, you can try a pillowcase or a pillow cover. So why a pillowcase or a pillow cover is also a great beginner project is because it's just straight stitches and a fold over closure. It also has no buttons, no zippers, no stress. With the zipper and buttons, you choose to add it, but you actually don't need it unless you want to add extra stuff. But as a beginner, if you're comfortable with it and you feel like you can do it, you can add this extra stuff. And with skills, it's great for practicing hemming, pressing, and also measuring. Last project on my list, which is project number 5, is to try a quilted zip or a pot holder. So making a quilted zipper pouch or a simple pot holder introduces you to quilting straight lines and working with layers. It also teaches binding it whilst you make a pot holder. These are great gifts and they are beginner friendly. So with everything I've said in this video, the point isn't perfection, it's learning how fabric moves, how to guide it, and how pressing changes everything. Every beginner starts here. Tell me which of these you want a full tutorial for and I can break them down step by step. And if you are just starting out, make sure you watch my beginner tools and beginner mistake videos. They make this project way easier.